Greetings, 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 and welcome to my channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. So we have enough people who follow Jesus, enough different church group about the place. But when you see somebody when you belong to fear group, I do something good, how you feel about it? You think you shouldn't try if you tap them? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody we know. And if you don't do it yet, we are wait pardon. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 9 from verse 49 to verse 50. Lord, John say, we see one man use your name, run out demon out of people. And we try to tap him, cause him no wanna we. Jesus said to him, say, not tap him, cause who na fight against you, dip on your side. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.